All right, folks, so today I got for you one of our kitchen gadgets or household gadgets that I'm kind of looking forward to. Now, this is the Samsung Jet 75 cordless stick vacuum. This is supposed to be one of the best cordless vacs on the market. Now, it's supposed to be designed for pets. And of course, you know, we have the two wiener dog girls. And so I got this in hopes that we are going to be able to keep up with all the grass, all the hair from our two little doggies here in the house. Because the house that we have currently has no carpet. So I wanted to get something that is good for hard floors. So let's just see what all we get with this. Well, this looks like a battery pack. Okay. Cardboard. Like an upholstery cleaner attachment. More cardboard. Here's a battery charger. And it comes with some screws. So I guess we are supposed to mount this to the wall somehow. So let's see. This looks like the shaft of the vacuum cleaner. More cardboard. More cardboard. Okay, so this is going to be the canister portion of it where the dirt is going to collect. So this is like the motor head. It feels pretty lightweight. More cardboard. This is your power supply. This is going to be a knuckle, a hose connecting knuckle. Comes with a nice little upholstery brush, so that's good. This is the power head, the roller head here. Feels good, feels like really good quality. It says it's a turbo action brush. Now, it does come with a manual, of course. Probably a warranty about don't do this, don't do that. Use only as manufacturer. So that pretty much is what's in the box. It says that it traps 99% of dust particulates. It does not say what size dust particulates, but it does say 99%. It is apparently a washable microfilter, jet cyclone, metal mesh grill filter with a digital inverter motor up to 200 watts. All right. So that's cool. Let's see if we can figure out what to do with this thing. It's a good thing I went to college, because I might be able to figure out how to assemble it. There we go. And that is. Okay, we'll work on that in a second. So it looks like these connect here. There's some electrical connections, so nope, sorry, this one goes into here and connects electrically there to power the head. So it does have electric running up the shaft coming here. So then that connects to these. Hey, look at that. I assembled it. Now, we're not quite there yet, but I did get that done. That moves. Here's where the power goes in, right here, guys. So that goes like that. Looks like it snaps like that. It kind of fits into there. And then this closes back up, so it keeps the cord safe. Okay. So, so they're kind of saying it looks like these go like that. You see that? So these kind of snap into place. And it's actually pretty good. I kind of like that. Okay, so we got that. Now, still hadn't quite figured out how the battery goes in, but like I said, let's look at it from a different perspective. So maybe the battery is supposed to go into this unit. So it goes into the head unit. And I got a feeling this is going to do something like that. Okay, so let's see if you guys can see that. So it looks like this is how it kind of looks and stands. So this will be mounted to a wall. This hangs into it. So now we just kind of figure out, where do we put this piece here? Well, it looks like No, don't go there. That would mess up the power pack. And the power of it. They call that the flex tool. I get that, guys, that it can be used, you know, like this, right? But my real question is, well, maybe I just answered my own question. Like this. There we go. So the flex joint also attaches and goes there. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I know with these new batteries and stuff, what you're supposed to do is just let them charge before you turn them on overnight. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll give it a tryout and tomorrow. All right, everybody. Well, it's been 24 hours, so our vacuum cleaner is nicely charged. So let's see how it does. So let me show you where we're going to vacuum. So let's look at all this grassy stuff that our wonderful little wiener dogs drag in from the yard. So that's your before shot.